Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Ghana is the second largest producer of gold in Africa. In fact, before 1957, Ghana was commonly known as the Gold Coast because of its availability of gold among the rivers Ankobra and Volta. Study reveals handwriting activates broader brain networks, enhancing learning and memory. Based on an analysis of 1.2 million foot scans, Asians have wider feet on average than Europeans or Americans of the same foot length. Signs you need more potassium. A stunning elevation globe highlights Earth's landforms in 3 dimensions. Nature's tiniest menace mosquito under a microscope. Washing the nails with salt water makes the nails soft and does not break very quickly. For this, put a spoon of salt in a bowl and dip your nails in it. This will not break the nails quickly. The Arlington Ladies are a volunteer group of women who attend funerals at Arlington National Cemetery to ensure that no soldier, sailor, airman, or coast guardsman is buried alone. Daily short walks may reverse cognitive aging by up to 4 years, study shows. Mumbai teen sets new record for being youngest girl to climb the world's 7 highest peaks. The oldest solid material grain of dust on Earth has just been identified, and it predates the solar system itself by at least a few hundred million years. 1489 Leonardo da Vinci's helicopter sketch. Missy is one of the world's smallest dogs, measuring in just 7 cm tall, 12 cm long, and weighing 250 grams, only slightly heavier than a hamster. Leonardo da Vinci made a robotic lion in 1515 that would walk, sway, open its mouth, and move its tail. It even had a compartment that opened to present flowers. Every year, Canada Post receives 1 million letters addressed to Santa Claus, the North Pole, and they reply to everyone. The fingers of both hands touches each other from behind. This is really an example for height of fine sculpture on hard rock. The first man to swim the length of Great Britain grew a beard to stop jellyfish stinging his face. The first cell phone took 10 hours to charge, had 30 minutes of battery life, cost plus $10,000 inflation adjusted. Some farmers in Kenya are using elephants' natural fear of bees and building beehive fences that keep wild elephants from trampling the crops. It keeps the farm safe and prevents farmers from having to kill elephants to defend their livelihood. First spacewalk 1965, moonwalk 1969. Honeypot ants are a unique insect that use their own bodies as living storage pots of honey. The regular practice of controlled breathing will increase oxygen to your lungs, help the limb system get rid of waste, improve digestion, decrease stress, balance your emotions, and increase overall energy. A Buddhist monk shares his meal with a tiger at the Kanchanaburi Tiger Temple in Thailand. If someone cuts down a tree for their view in Australia, government installs sign to block the view. Working for success will make you a master, but working for satisfaction will make you a legend. The Murchison meteorite, which contains pre-solar grains over 7 billion years old, holds the title of the oldest known material on Earth, predating the planet itself. Researchers trained African grey parrots to trade tokens for food. In an experiment, one parrot received 10 tokens, the other none. Without external incentives, the token rich parrots shared with their partners, allowing both to eat. Feeling a little anxious, this is often due to low levels of folate. The best way to replenish this is by eating some asparagus. One cup alone give you two-thirds of your daily recommended value. In a taxi and have items in the trunk, make sure to leave your door open while you get your stuff. The driver will stay put as long as the door is open. There are cities in UK that have free vending machines for homeless people. Local shelters hand out access cards to people in need who can use the vending machine 3 times a day to get free food, toiletries and clothing. As long as the card holder checks into the shelter once a week, they can keep using the machine. A Roman merchant who sold fake jewels to the empress was sentenced to face a lion in the arena. However, when the gate finally opened, a chicken walked out instead. Emperor proclaimed he practiced deceit and then it was practiced on him. The emperor allowed the jeweler to go home. Can't sleep instead of counting sheep? Try this mind-occupying technique. Start with A1 and add one letter and one number as you count. So A1, B2, C3, D4, etc. Once you get to 26Z, flip the order to 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, etc. First Indian woman to get Bharat Ratna, Indira Gandhi. First Indian woman to win Oscar Award, Bhanu Athaiya. First Indian woman to become Miss Universe, Sushmita Sen. First Indian woman to go to space, Kalpana Chawla. First Indian woman to become president, Pratibha Patil. First Indian woman to climb Mount Everest, Bachindri Pal. First Indian woman to get Nobel Prize, Mother Teresa. Thanks for watching.